The deadly pass incident. In 1959, nine experienced hikers went into the Ural Mountains in Russia for a winter expedition. They were strong, trained, and now how to survive in extreme cold. The trip was supposed to be difficult, but not dangerous. When the group did not return, a rescue team was sent to find them. After days of searching, the team found their tent on a snowy slope. The tent was damaged but not from outside. It had been cut open from the inside, as if the hikers wanted to step quickly. Footprints were found in the snow, leading away from the tent. The strange thing that was that many of the footprints were barefoot or wearing only socks, even though the temperature was far below freezing. The first two bodies were found near a tree, wearing very little cloth. Three more were found between the tree and the tent, as if they were trying to go back. Months later, the last four bodies were discovered under deep snow. Some of them had triple injuries. One had a broken skull, another had crushed rib. One woman had no tongue. There were no clear signs of a fight, and no evidence of another person lying there, even stranger. Some of their clothes showed small amount of radiation. The case was closed with the explanation of unknown natural cause. No one has ever proven what really happened that night. Elisa Lam and their water tank. In 2013, a Canadian student named Elisa Lam stayed at the Big Cecil Hotel in Los Angeles. The hotel already had a dark history with many incidents and deaths reported there over years. After a few days, Elsa disappeared. Police searched the building but found nothing. The only search clue was an elevator security video released later. In this video, Elsa walks into the elevator and presses several buttons at once. She steps in and out. She looks into the hallway and hides in the corner like she is afraid of someone. At one point, she appears to talk to someone that cannot be seen. Then she walks out of the elevator and the door closes. That was the last time she was seen alive. Weeks later, hotel guests started complaining about the water. They said it tasted strange, smelled bad, and looked dark. Workers went to check the water tank on the roof. Inside one of the tanks, they found Elisa's body. The light of the tank was closed and the roof door was locked. No camera showed her going to the roof, and no one could explain how she got inside the tank alone. Her death was called an incident, but many people still believe something else happened in the hotel. In 1922, a family lived in a small farm in Germany called Hinterkaifeck. The family had noticed strange things happening before the murder. They heard footsteps in the attic at night. But when they checked, no one was there. Footprints were seen in the snow, leading toward the house, but now going back. A newspaper they did not buy appeared inside the home. Days later, the entire family and their maid were found dead. Each one had been killed with a farming tool. The bodies were discovered in different parts of the house and burned. What made the case more disturbing was what police found next. Food had been eaten after the murder. The animals on the farm had been fed. Someone had stayed in the house for several days after the family was dead. Neighbors said they saw smoke coming from the chimney during that time, even though the family was already gone. The killer was never found. The case remains one of the most disturbing unsolved crimes in history.